That at that time...
Astronomer Dr. Louisa Pigiotti and I are climbing up to the 18th century observatory. At the top, she promises to show me one of the most important books in scientific history.
So, what do we have here?
Okay, this is the second edition of the Revolutionibus.
Copernicus.
Yes.
This is De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, which was published in 1543 by the Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus.
I'll be careful.
Is it the second edition?
The significance of this book is enormous. In it, Copernicus argues for the first time since Greek antiquity that all the planets, including the Earth, go around the Sun. For thousands of years, everyone had believed a very different view, that the Earth is static and everything, including the stars, sun and planets, move around it.
And here there are all his system. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
And just
Sol,
the system.
the sun in the
It's
middle.
a famous drawing,
Yes.
this one.
Oh yes, and there's Terra.
With the
Yes,
moon.
yeah, with the moon
With the
going
moon,
around it.
okay, yes.
This is an astonishing book, and many historians credit it with starting the European scientific revolution,
There are the principle.
the first crucial step in a journey that led to modern physics.
Is another eruption of the Earth.
Well, I agree, but it does seem a bit odd that one doesn't hear much about where Copernicus got his ideas and information. The impression is that they came out of nowhere.
The beginning?
And the beginning is all in Arabic.
It certainly is a real revelation to me that he explicitly mentions a 9th century Muslim for providing him with a great deal of observational data, an astronomer who lived in Damascus called al-Battani. Like all the great scientists of the Islamic Empire, al-Battani lived in a culture without portraiture. All we have are later impressions of what he might have looked like.
And here he mentioned Hipparchus, Calippo, Ptolemy, and so on, and he started to mention what he called Macometus, Aratensis, and means Al-Battani.
Okay. And then the second book here.
And the second book is, we can look at the beginning in Latin.
I see, we can open it.
Copernicus, in fact, made extensive use of al-Battani's observations of the positions of planets, the sun, the moon and stars. He worked with Latin translations, similar to this one, of the Syrian astronomers' data.